Do you feel nervous speaking English at work meetings or writing emails? In this video, you'll learn simple, professional English to sound confident at work.
Business English at Work, Meetings, Emails, and Daily Office English, Episode 14.
Let's start with the most important workplace situation, speaking politely in meetings.
Scenario Module 1, Meeting English, Core Lesson.
Many learners say, "I think this." "You are wrong." "Listen me." Correct meaning, wrong tone.
Use these polite and professional phrases instead. 1. I think we should. 2. In my opinion. 3. I agree with you. 4. I see your point, but... 5. Could you please explain that? I think we should start the project today. In my opinion, this plan will work. I see your point, but we need more time.
Notice the soft grammar. You are wrong. I see your point, but... Soft language equals professional English.
Say this out loud. In my opinion. I agree with you.
Now let's move from speaking to something just as important, writing simple work emails.
Learners often write, "Send me file. Do this fast." Sounds rude.
Use these instead. Could you please send me the file? I hope you are doing well. Please let me know. Thank you for your support. Looking forward to your reply.
Could you please send me the report? Please let me know if you need anything. Thank you for your support.
Email English loves, "Could you please?" I hope you are. This sounds respectful and professional.
Repeat, could you please send me the file? Looking forward to your reply.
Let's review the most important phrases from Part 1. In my opinion, I see your point, but could you please send me the file? Looking forward to your reply. Say any two aloud now.
Answer out loud. 1. You want to share your idea in a meeting. What do you say? 2. You need a file by email. How do you ask politely?
Pause. Speak clearly. No long sentences needed. Great job! You just used professional English at work. Like this video, share it with a colleague or friend, and subscribe to Miss Grammar.
Next part, EP-14 Part 2, Giving updates, asking questions, and office problems.